Hi, I just wanted to make a real quick short video about my personal experience working with Rolla, which was a great one, by the way. I had gotten her deal that comes with it comes with a 1 hour coaching session. It also comes with a page audit, and then she also gets you a certain amount, like a certain number of subscribers. So for me, the game changer was her 1 hour of coaching. She really takes the time to sit down with you. She teaches you about the site, really how to work it, and the ins and outs of I I kind of want to say like the little secrets of the site that a lot of people don't know about. Um, because there's a lot more to it than just posting and sending out messages. Um, so we did the 1 hour coaching, and then she went through and did my page audit, which is where she goes through and she kind of tweaks it for you and tells you what to keep, maybe what you can change. And I honestly, after all of this, I saw a difference within the first few days. And now it's been 2 months. My page is thriving. My income has honestly increased, probably by double. And it's only the first 2 months, so I can't wait to see in another 6 months how much it changes. So, yes, I highly recommend her. I think you should definitely give her a try and see your page thrive too. Thanks, Rolla. So I already ended this video, but I just wanted to add in this little bit real quick. This really was the best investment that I personally could have made for my OnlyFans. And it is true that if you want to see your page grow, you do have to make an investment, and I highly recommend this one.